Wait, let me just say. Alright, what's up guys, Chris Series here with another video. So in this video, my dad and I are going to be riding from Firestone to my house. So my house is about a mile away or so, or two, I don't know. So we're gonna be riding it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share, because my dad had never been in my videos before, and
what's up guys,
he is going to be in my video today, guys. So this is awesome. All right, so comment down what bike you have, if you have a bike. All right, let's go. All right, ready? Oh, hold up, my brake. All right, let's go. Enjoy the music. Right, coming to the right. Alright, alright, we are just waiting right now. So yeah, this is awesome. So
here we go.
we're going. All right, yeah, it's red, red, and red. So, all right, here we go. Okay, I'm coming down. Also, we're basically about to pass, which when we go to my house, we're about to pass. We're about to pass where I did my Dandelion video. So, yeah. All right, enjoy the music. Left. Coming to the left.
Front tire?
Your front tire? Oh, that sucks. Oh, you need a new tire, probably.
Yeah, I need you too.
Yeah, that sucks. It will.
Yeah, we'll make it.
Alright. Oh yeah. I hope we do. Guys, letting you know it is 90 degrees out here, so it's pretty hot out here, and we're riding our bikes. Oh jeez. Alright. We're almost here anyways. Kinda. Not really, but kinda.
About quarter way.
Yeah. So it's about a mile, Dad, right?
I'd say about 3.
3 miles?
Yeah.
Holy crap, alright. I'll have to probably blur out the license plates.
No, not if they're strangers.
Huh?
Not if they're strangers.
What do you mean not if they're strangers? Oh, that's true. Yeah, that's true. Because I'm catching a lot of license plate right here. Because of all the cars going by. So,
It doesn't bother us because it's not our fault.
that's true.
And they can search out those people all they want.
It's not our fault. We passed Eliante's school, so that's cool. Alright, I'm
I can't turn it back out.
yep. Alright. Alright, come on left again. Yeah.
I've got to keep, when I'm leaning and
Yeah.
turning, I can't do it fast.
Alright. Oh, that sucks, man. I can see it that your tire's flat because when it hits the grounds, I can see it just rolling like it's flat on the ground.
I'm riding on actual tire, no more tube.
Oh, that sucks.
Probably gonna destroy the tire as well.
Well, we need a new tire. Okay, I'm gonna slow down for you.
It's alright, we're gonna take a nice easy turn.
Alright. Oh, this is my favorite part. Oh, Dad, you're gonna have trouble on this. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Enjoy the music. Action music. Thank you. You want to take a drink? Yeah. I'll take a drink since we went up that hill. You don't need one?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's a little bit of air in it, but not much.
Oh, that sucks.
But that's good because it should protect my tire. Just need a tube.
Well, that was hard.
Now we're over halfway home.
So we're over halfway home. Yep. I remember.
Can you pause?
All right, guys.
Did you turn it back
We
on?
are back. So we are back, and we are going now. Okay. We are almost halfway home. So let's go. Coming to the left. Oh. Oh yeah, that's true. Alright. Oh, I can hear the tire too. It's like popping, miniature pops. Guys, I'm not sure if you can hear my dad's tire popping, but it's tiny little pops here. Yeah, see if you can hear that, but I'm not sure. Alright. So I will have to pause the video once we get next to our security stuff. So, and then I'll go to the neighborhood and stuff. But yeah, all right. Left. I go? No, you go, yeah. Oh, I almost hit your tire. You have more exercise because your tire is fun. Kinda.
A little more drag.
Yeah. It's like having those big, thick tires.
Right. Like riding with sand.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause the video right here, okay? I'm gonna pause the video right here. Alright guys, we're heading into the gate now. Alright. Now this is gonna, since we're in the neighborhood, oh, that tracks our speed limit. That was funny. That was weird looking though. Alright. Alright. Now we can just do this and like swerve.
Yeah. You see the air on that? Oh.
Will it track our speed limit? I don't think so. Nope. Oh, 9. 9 miles per hour.
I got 7 miles.
You got 7. Woo! Skirt. Alright. So, right now we are going to our house. This is our street. So, now we just need to go. So, let's go. Alright. Alright, so this is our house. So now I'm going to have to say 2 words. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tristerius.